Good morning. It's Thursday, November 30th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Overnight, the precious metals are weaker after yesterday's flat session. You have February gold down $10 at $20.56. March silver down 2 cents, $25.42. March copper unchanged at $3.82, and January platinum unchanged at $9.42. So usually on the last day of the month, what I do is I look at the month-to-date performance on the precious metals. So you got silver up 9%, copper up 3.6%. Gold up 2% and platinum unchanged. So big boost up on the precious metals. It was fueled by weaker treasury yields and also a weaker dollar index. Now, if you look at the overnight news, and the reason why we're pulling back here on the precious metals was that the Eurozone inflation, it fell more than expected at 2.4%. So what that does is we see the euro currency, it's down about 0.6%. So we're at 109.23 last on it. Remember, there's a 57% inverse correlation between the dollar index and the euro currency. So the dollar index up about 0.5% right now at 103.24.5, weighing it on the precious metals and also the agricultural markets. Anything that would benefit from exports is going to go down on that as the dollar index goes up. The cost of converting currencies to get some of those exports goes up. So that's why the grain's most likely lower here today. We do have an OPEC meeting coming out. You are seeing crude oil futures up about 0.5% right now, getting a small boost on that market. Now, some other things that we're watching, Fed officials, they continue to provide little urgency for raising interest rates going forward. So we're seeing several more are coming out, and where they were very hawkish before, now they're kind of at the wait and see. They think that they like the way that inflation has been coming down naturally. They don't really see much of a need to continue to raise rates. Now, today's PCE inflation data, that should be the nail in the coffin, sealing that the last interest rate hike had already passed, and we're going to look forward towards interest rate cuts going forward. So you do have initial claims coming out. You'd like to see a modest uptick in that. If you're a bull here, if you want to get the gold market unchanged, personal income, personal spending, and home sales, pending home sales are all coming out. Looking at the precious metals, so my view is that I believe that we're a little bit overextended on these. I don't necessarily see much value given the rollover from the December to the February contract. Having $25, $30 differential between the two, I think is a bit too high. So if you look at your key level support, 200-day moving average, also your trend reversal point right around 2002. I see value between 2010 and about 1996 on the February gold contract. Your key level support below that's going to be the 50-day moving average at 1971. Silver, similar situation. I think your critical level support, $25. I think I see value right around the 200-day moving average at 24.15, and then below that would be 23.61 down to about 23.40. That's your pocket support, 50-day moving average down to trend reversal point. So outside markets, they are mixed because of that dollar index going up. You do have U.S. equities boosting up a bit. There was some news that Salesforce up about 9%. I believe that's what's helping out the NASDAQ right now. Volatile ride in the Bitcoin market. Also, again, your grain's a little bit weaker. Your 10-year treasury yields up 3 basis points at 4.29 here last. You got any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading involves risk of loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.